biggest quickie. A Supreme Court case that dramatically increased the power of the federal government way beyond what the Constitution designed is Wickard v. Filburn. This is the decision that basically redefined the Commerce Clause to mean whatever government wants to do at the time. The case was brought by people wanting to end federal crop supports by declaring them unconstitutional, which they are by any objective reading. It began when Ohio farmer Roscoe Filburn was ordered to pay a penalty because he grew too much wheat. Yeah, seriously, and it was unanimous. And the court even extended commerce beyond things that were sold. They ruled whether the subject of the regulation was production, consumption, or marketing is therefore not material for purposes of deciding the question of federal power before us. The thing is, Filburn wasn't even selling the wheat, but apparently interstate commerce doesn't have to be interstate. Quote, homegrown wheat in this sense competes with wheat in commerce. Basically, since Filburn would have bought the wheat to feed his animals if he hadn't grown it, he affected interstate commerce. So, Congress can regulate intrastate, non-commercial activity if it has any effect on interstate commerce, no matter how trivial. Quote, even if a Pelly's activity be local, and even though it may not be regarded as commerce, it may still, whatever its nature, be reached by Congress if it exerts a substantial economic effect on interstate commerce. I know I'm doing a lot of quoting in this one, but I'm worried you won't believe me otherwise. 8 of the 9 justices had been appointed by FDR, which explains why they made this insane decision. And they dismissed all of the arguments from previous court precedent as too formulaic. So afterwards, the Supreme Court engages in almost complete deference to the claims of Congress to determine if a power falls under the Commerce Clause. Then what's the point of even having a Constitution? Most notably, the Supreme Court has relied heavily on Wickard to support the federal government prosecuting individuals who use medical marijuana legally under state law. It was also pretty much the only precedent used to support the Affordable Care Act. P.J. O'Rourke was right. Put politicians in charge of buying and selling, and the first things bought and sold are politicians.